Good morning to everyone. This is your EVS subject class and this one is your EVS book. Now we are in lesson 4. As you know, we are in lesson 4 and the lesson name is Health is Wealth. Lesson का क्या name है? Health is Wealth. Okay. So what you will do? You will do the exercise today. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Exercise करेंगे. आपको क्या करना है आज? Exercise करनी है. So just open page number 25 of your book. Everyone, just open page number 25. Open page number 25 of your book. Now, bring a pencil. Everyone just bring a pencil with you. First question is fill in the blanks. First one is filling the blanks. So, first filling the blanks, the first one is dash help us to grow. Dash help us to grow. हमें ग्रो करने में कौन सी चीज हेल्प करती है वो लिखना है. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. यू विल राइट बाय सीइंग द बोर्ड. ओके, वेट. फर्स्टली विल राइट द डेट. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? डेट लिखेंगे. द डेट इज 25th June 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay, day is Friday. Now what's the question said? Dash help us to grow. हमें ग्रो करने में कौन सी चीज हेल्प करती है वो लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में हम क्या लिखेंगे? फूड. Write down food. 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 See on the book. Food help us to grow. Now the second fill in the blanks. Fat give us. Fat give us what? Fat हमें क्या देता है वो लिखना है. तो second fill in the blanks में क्या लिखेंगे? Energy. 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 Okay. Now the third fill in the blanks. Buy and eat only dash food. हमें हमेशा कैसे फूड बाय खरीदने चाहिए और खाने चाहिए? फ्रेश फूड. कैसे फूड? फ्रेश फ्रूट्स. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? थर्ड नंबर पे फ्रेश. Buy and eat only fresh food. FRESH. Fresh. Okay. Now the fourth fill in the blanks is food can be stored in the. फूड को कहाँ स्टोर करके रखते हैं हम? रेफ्रिजरेटर. फूड कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन द रेफ्रिजरेटर. The answer is refrigerator. 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 The food can be stored in the refrigerator. First filling the blanks is food. Second is energy. Third is fresh. Fourth is refrigerator. Fourth one is refrigerator. Okay. So this is the fill in the blanks for book. You'll do this fill in the. Start the question answers. Okay. May I rub this? May I rub this fill in the blanks? Rub कर दूं? Okay. Now, question answers. What the first question said? Why do we eat food? First question क्या कह रहा है? Why do we eat food? हम food क्यों eat करते हैं? Okay. So the answer number 1 is, आपको कैसे लिखना है? ऐसे heading डालनी है. B answer the following question. Question की heading डालनी है. Then answer write down करना है. How you will write the answer? because we eat food because it will help us to grow and we become strong and healthy. This is your first answer. This one is your first answer. Why do we eat clothes? Sorry. Why do we eat food? We eat food because it will help us to grow and we become strong and healthy. Okay? After writing this answer, just draw 2 lines. उसके बाद आपको ऐसे 2 lines draw करनी है. You can see on the copy. आज आप कॉपी पे देखो आपको कैसे 2 lines draw करनी है. जैसे ही आंसर फिनिश होता है वैसे you have to draw 2 lines. Okay? Then after you will start the second question. Second question उसके बाद लिखना है आपको. Understood? Understood student? समझ में आ रहा है? This is your first question. This one is your first question answer. ठीक है? You have few seconds. Write down. अगर आप लिख रहे हो तो few seconds दे रही हूँ. Write it down. Coming to second answer. Answer number second. The question is, name 2 table manners. Name 2 table manners. You will write the 2 table manners. आपको 2 table manners लिखने हैं कोई भी. तो first one is A डालना है, A heading डालनी है. First लिखना है no playing. No playing. Second one is no talking. The second is no talking. First is no playing. Second one is no talking. These are the 2 table manners which I have mentioned. 2 table manners कौन कौन से लिख सकते हो आप? No playing or no talking. Okay? Now the third question. What nutrients help us to fight diseases? कौन से nutrients होते हैं हमें diseases बीमारी से लड़ने में help करते हैं? Previous class में हमने आपको बताया था ना, vitamin and minerals. So the answer is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to fight diseases. Okay? Vitamin and minerals help us to fight diseases. Okay? This is answer number 3. This is answer number 3. Vitamin and minerals help us to fight diseases. This is answer number 3. Now I am going to rub this answer. Answer number 2 rub कर रही हूँ मैं. Okay? Question number 4 is, why should we wash fruits before eating them? हमें fruits को क्यों wash करके eat करना चाहिए? Okay, the answer is we should wash fruits before, sorry, because washing removes dirt and germs from it. We should wash fruits because washing removes dirt and germs from it. Okay, this is answer number 4. This is answer number 4. You can see on the copy also. We should wash fruits because washing removes dirt and germs from it. Okay, this is answer number 4. Now coming to last answer. You have few minutes, write it down. Last question said, coming to last question, write down 3 good food habits. Write down 3 good food habits. आपको कोई भी 3 good food habits write down करनी है. Okay? I am going to rub the question 4 and question 3 both. Now, the question number 5. Answer number 5. Answer number 5, first point is point A. Wash the before you eat. Answer fifth point A is wash the food before you eat. Food को eat करने से पहले उसे wash करना चाहिए. Okay? B point is keep cooked and cut food item covered. Keep cooked and cut food items covered. जो कटेड फूड आइटम्स हो और पके हुए फूड आइटम्स हो उनको आपको कवर करके रखना चाहिए. ओके, सो कीप कुक्ड एंड कट फूड आइटम्स कवर्ड. उनको ढक के रखना चाहिए. नाउ कमिंग टू लास्ट पॉइंट, always eat हमेशा फ्रेश फूड ईट करने चाहिए. So this is your answer number 5th. Point A, point B and point C. Your 5th answer is also finished. These are the 3 points of 5th answer. Okay. Now I am going to show you all the answers in the copy. एक बार मैं आपको सारे आंसर्स कॉपी में शो कर देती हूँ. ओके. Why do we eat food? We eat food because it will help us to grow and we become strong and healthy. Okay. Now question number 2, name 2 table manners. The answer is no playing, no talking. Okay. Now question number 3 is what nutrients help us to fight diseases? So answer is vitamin and minerals help us to fight diseases. Again drawing 2 lines. 2 lines draw करनी है. Then question number 4. Why should we wash fruits before we eat them? Fruits को क्यों wash करना चाहिए? Answer is we should wash fruits because washing removes dirt and germs from it. Okay, this is answer number 4. This is answer number 4. Now coming to answer number 5. Write down 3 good food habits. कोई भी 3 good food habits लिखनी है. तो the first one is A. Wash the food before you eat. Wash the foods before you eat. B is keep cooked and cut food in items covered. Cut और cooked food items को ढक के रखना चाहिए. C point is always eat only fresh foods. हमेशा fresh foods eat करने चाहिए. You can see on the copy. Understood? So these are the 5 questions which you have to write in your copy notebook. So your class is about to over. Just do your work, click the picture, complete your work neat and clean, and your class is over. Good day. Have a nice day, students. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Good day.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Good day.